Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how I go from straight hair to full head of curls with no heat tools. So you're just going to want to start off by parting your hair. So I'm just going to do it like this, and then I'm going to grab a small section of hair. I'm gonna dampen it. I have a cup of water and I'm literally just dipping my fingers in it and running it through my hair. I don't recommend this method. It'd probably be better off just using a spray bottle, but I didn't have one. This was taking way too long. And so now I'm just gonna take a brush and brush through my hair so I can distribute the water evenly, and make sure your hair is not too soaked or it won't dry. So now I'm just twisting my hair from the root all the way to the bottom, and I'm gonna bring it up and wrap it up just like I'm doing now, and I'm just gonna secure it in place with an elastic. Make sure you're tying the whole section so it doesn't come apart in the nighttime. And I'm just gonna do it to the rest of my hair. This was honestly such a bad idea. I was trying to dip my hair in the cup because I was just so annoyed with how slow this was, and that didn't work obviously. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my head and I'll be back. So this is how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna go to sleep looking cute as hell. So now it's the next morning, and I'm just going to take it all apart, and you just want to untie the elastic, and then you want to bring down the curl. And now you're going to separate all the hair like I'm doing now. Make sure your hair is not tangled the night before, or else you're going to have a really difficult time separating it. So just like that. Just separate the curls. And I'm just gonna do the rest of my head, and I'm gonna speed this part up. And you're probably gonna wonder why they're looking so crazy, but that's just how they look at first. They do settle down in a little bit. And here's how they look. They do look crazy. If you want them to look a bit more subtle, you can use hairspray on your head, but I don't really like using hairspray on my hair. So now I'm just gonna style it. You can leave it open if you like, but my personal favorite thing to do is make a cute little pony. So I just take the top 2 seconds of my hair, pin them back, and I'm gonna just simply make a pony. You can leave it like this, but I really love the pony. I just think it looks so cute. And yeah, just tie your hair up. And this is how it looks. It's a nice, beautiful, curly pony. It just looks so pretty. I love it so much. It's so simple and so beautiful. And the second thing that I like to do is just leave my hair open. I take a little section on the top and pin it over, and you have beautiful curls and no heat tools involved, no hair damage. It's just so beautiful. Yep, so this is just me showing you the hair. I thought it looked really cute with this top actually. And yeah. I'm just standing. I don't know why, but I am. Oh my god, I didn't even tie my pants. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the look, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!